Happy holidays to you. The holidays are upon us. And if you didn't know, Amazon is having a Black Friday sale. So today's video, awesome. 8 items, less than $25. It's the perfect gifts to give to, well, whomever wants some gifts, which may be you. I'll link them all below. Let's jump right into it. Here we go, a 28-in-1 survival kit. Now, it's not always just about survival and prepping and such. These are items that literally may get you out of a jam. And it's nice. It's all in one nice little carrying case. Items that you're going to want to have, only $21. Another item we must have in our kit, a no-touch thermometer, only $15. Absolutely essential. And then an even more essential thermometer, almost in my opinion, I'm just kidding, it is a meat thermometer for cooking. Absolutely great, because that way you can make sure all your food is done right. And if you're a barbecuer person like me, a barbecuer, then you will enjoy this item for only $13. And my beautiful, lovely wife, Ashley, picked this one out. $18 for this throw fluffy blanket. She has one for herself, and she loved it so much, she actually bought some for her family as well. So a really good, nice thing to keep warm this winter. 18 bucks. Excellent items, excellent prices. I'll link them below. Let's keep going. And for $25, Ashley also picked out this professional hairdryer, salon-style hairdryer, and it has this thing called a diffuser. My hair is beautiful enough, I don't need it, but other people do apparently. But she loves these hair dryers, and she said it's a perfect thing to get for $25 or less. And for the kitchen, for $18, you can never go wrong with a really good set of knives. And these are the ones that actually have the coating on there, so that way it doesn't rust, but it's completely safe for you, and a very nice kitchen knife set. Or for $19, a portable charger power bank. My son uses this all the time. I think he forgets to charge his phone. But these are great. Will really get you out of a jam, and we carry one everywhere we go, just in case. And it's pretty funny. I've shown these in a couple other videos, but Ashley said, oh, you should show these lanterns because we love them so much, because our kids use them so often. $21 for these 4 lanterns, which are super bright. And if you are giving them as gifts, perfect. You can split them up and give one each to 4 different people. And one last item, it's a bonus. Why? It's over $25. For $28, you can get this automatic blood pressure cuff. These are great, work very well. That way you can monitor your blood pressure, and it's even done. You can log it onto an app so you can keep track of it and monitor it. Very nice. There you go, 8 items, $25 or less. Awesome. I'll link them all below. So click on the links. We'll get a portion of the sale. Your price doesn't change. It's a win-win. But we say thank you. It helps fund our channel and helps our family, and it's always a good thing to be able to connect with you. Put it in the comments below. What are some things you picked up for really inexpensive this holiday season? Thanks for watching.